Hey everybody, this is Brian from SurfGuru with your Wipeout Wednesday and Thursday Surf Report. Hey, today on Wednesday we have knee to thigh mixed swell coming in about 7 to 9 seconds. Now I'm seeing a couple standout locations like Cocoa Beach Pier going a little bigger than that. Gentle morning winds are going to be picking up a little bit for this afternoon and eventually turning onshore. For Thursday we have a rinse and repeat of today. Knee to thigh mixed swell, we might see a couple bigger sets again. Same around 7 to 9 seconds, maybe more towards the 9-second end on that. And again, we have those gentle morning breezes that are going to pick up and go onshore by the afternoon. That's going to kind of stay in the knee to thigh zone for the rest of the week, all the way through Saturday. On Sunday, we have a cold front pushing through that's going to be bringing some strong north winds and should set us up for a wind swell for northern Florida, like late Sunday, early Monday. And then on Monday, the winds are going to turn onshore and kind of affect the whole state, just bringing us a big old wind swell again. So I'll be back on Friday, let you guys know what's going on with that, and I'll be out cleaning the cams probably tomorrow. And as always, check those cams. That's the best way to know what's going on in your favorite spot. And hey everybody, thanks so much for checking out SurfGuru.